Just eat it. Eat it. Open up your mouth and don't worry about if it's funky or if it's wrong or right.
Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Wednesday, August 5th, 2026. Opening brief. What's good, my traveling fam? It's your girl Rattles. Best in Travel Channel hosting. Baby, today the travel streets got baggage compartments collecting rent. A dangerous drone shutting down a German airport. Marine One procedures getting called into the principal's office. Extreme heat telling airplanes to drop a few pounds. Paris Charles de Gaulle booking an 8.2 billion euros glow up. And LATAM finally getting one hand of that fuel monster off its neck. Now pour that tea. First brief. Jetstar said that overhead bin got rent due. What that blue said to Rattles was, starting in February 2027, Jetstar passengers can carry one qualifying small item under the seat for free, while overhead locker access will cost extra. Baby. They done turned the cabinet above your head into studio apartments. Left that bin door and a leasing agent gone slide out asking for first month's rent, last month's rent, a security deposit, and proof that your suitcase got steady employment. That cheap fare done came with a landlord. Second brief. A dangerous drone shut down Leipzig/Halle Airport. What that blue said to Rattles was, German authorities said a drone carrying an unknown explosive device was found near a runway. Police safely removed its detonator, both runways closed overnight, and investigators are still working to determine responsibility. No roast on that. That is serious criminal foolishness. Let trained investigators handle the evidence while everybody else puts that internet detective badge back in the junk drawer. A runway is not the place for somebody's homemade villain audition. Third brief. Marine One procedures got sent back for review. What that blue said to Rattles was, federal aviation officials are reviewing a reported protocol lapse after Marine One departed while commercial traffic at Reagan National had not yet been fully paused. Officials said the aircraft were not dangerously close or converging. Good, review every page, every button and every somebody was supposed to call somebody moment. Presidential helicopters and passenger jets do not need to meet at the same sky intersection. Tighten that checklist before the airspace start looking like downtown traffic with propellers. Travel tip of the day. During airport shutdowns or security incidents, follow official airport, airline and government alerts. Screenshot your itinerary. Keep medicine, identification and charges in your carry-on. Stay away from restricted areas. Baby, viral post be loud, wrong and wearing confidence they did not earn. Fourth brief. Extreme heat told the plane, somebody might have to go. What that blue said to Rattles was, extreme heat can reduce aircraft lift and engine performance. Airlines may delay flights, reduce fuel or cargo, or ask passengers to volunteer for a later departure. Imagine sitting there moisturized, vacation ready and emotionally checked out. Then the sun tells the aircraft, baby, you carrying too much. Now bags getting removed. Cargo getting cut. And the gate agent looking for volunteers like it's a church fundraiser. Don't take it personal. That's physics embarrassing the passenger list. Fifth brief. Paris CDG ordered the deluxe airport makeover. What that blue said to Rattles was, Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport is advancing an 8.2 billion euro expansion plan featuring more boarding space, internal rail service and upgraded security. Higher airport fees are expected to help fund it. Baby. CDG getting new rooms. New transportation. New security. New edges. A fresh smile. And probably a lobby that smells expensive. But airlines already arguing about who paying for the makeover. And passengers know how this movie ends. Some mysterious little figon pull up wearing a beret. Sixth brief. LATAM said the fuel monster backed up, slightly. What that blue said to Rattles was, LATAM raised its 2026 earnings outlook as fuel assumptions improved, although costs remain high and quarterly profits still declined from the previous year. Baby. Fuel stopped choking them with both hands. And switched to one. LATAM smiling carefully because that gas bull still outside wearing a ski mask. Holding a calculator. And tapping on the window like, you forgot about me? Closing brief. That's today's tea. Jetstar put rent on the overhead bin. Germany investigated a dangerous drone. Marine One procedures got reviewed. Extreme heat started putting airplanes on diets. Paris planned an 8.2 billion euros glow up. And LATAM got a little breathing room from fuel costs. BreathtakingLagoon.com is back up and running. Slide through for travel inspiration and available travel deals. I'm Rattles. Check them alerts. Protect them receipts. Keep that carry-on close. Buckle your ass up. And stop trusting a cheap fare like the fees ain't hiding behind the curtain wearing tap shoes. Peace. Rattles out.
Alright babes, that's today's travel gossip tea. If you booking a trip, double check them dates, fees, and fine print. Don't get played. Drop your city in the comments and tell me what travel mess I should cover next. I'm back tomorrow, same tea time, same chaos. Bye. And remember, no report on weekends.